Hi all, welcome to my channel. Let's spread love and positivity. Today's topic is concentration and the language is English. So first and foremost, what you have to do is you have to figure out what are all the things you are getting distracted on. Let's say I wanted to read a book and I am getting distracted on notification sound from mobile phone. I wanted to just write it down in a paper and so during reading book, I got distracted on WhatsApp or I got distracted on Facebook, something like that. You have to write it in the in your paper, and at the end of the day, just analyze it, think it whether it is you whether whatever you got distracted is important or not important. If it is not important, from next time stop doing it. Whatever, let's say you are reading book, don't get distracted on the same thing again. So when you write it down, you will analyze it, you can analyze and you can able to identify the distraction. So the second point is, whatever you are going to do, make it interesting. Let's say I am a huge fan of Marvel and I am watching a series or movies of Marvel. uh, I won't even get distracted by sound of mobile or anyone calls me. Even then, I won't attend that time. I will just make it silent and I will watch the movie. So likewise, you guys also have to make everything. We guys have to make everything interesting, and we have to immerse in it and do it. So then you will not get distracted. So that's one way of achieving it. And another way is, let's say you have to schedule everything. Whenever you schedule, let's say you have to keep a short time. Don't keep it a long time. Let's say I wanted to read a book. I have to make a schedule saying, okay, morning 7 to 8, I have to read a book. During that time, only I will read the book. Also, I will not get distracted because I have only limited time. So since my mindset is okay, I will read only till 8. Okay, I will get distracted later. That's what I will think, and everybody will start thinking that, and we guys able to concentrate on that 1 hour. Concentration on 1 hour is uh, better than diverting for the whole day. Next, yeah. Um, so even then, let's say you are getting diverted by a notification or a call, make your mobile silent. Whatever is there, just avoid it. Whatever you can able to do, avoid it. Uh, so yeah, that's one way. Another way is, you have to meditate. Why I'm telling meditation is, whatever you want to do, practice makes it perfect. So meditation is a kind of practice to make you concentrate on anything. So what is meditation is, what are we doing in meditation? We are concentrating on our breath, we are avoiding all the distractions. So that's practice. So if you keep on practice, you will one day excel it. Also something there, whenever you keeps on practicing, you will save those activities in your subconscious memory power. Subconscious memory power is a very powerful thing in your body, which I will talk about in another video. So for now, you just think about it. It is a very powerful. It's very powerful, and whatever you put it over there will get executed without even you consciously wanted to think. Let's say you are not consciously thinking that you are breathing or your heart is beating, or whenever you are going on a bike ride, you will not consciously change the gear, right? It subconsciously, you are going to change the gear. You will not intentionally do it. So those are the things. Those are the powers of subconscious. So let's consider. Let's assume if you got the power of concentration inside your subconscious, then whatever you do, you will concentrate on that without any distraction. Even if it is a huge distraction coming around you, you will avoid it. So that's how you have to practice it. Practice the concentration. And so as I told you before, you have noted everything in your paper, right? You have to also think about, from that, okay, what are all the points I got distracted? Is it really needed? For example, let's say I got distracted on a Facebook notification, and am I getting any positive from Facebook? If not, I can delete the app. You can obviously delete it. It's not going to useful for you. If it is not going to useful and it is trying to distract you from whatever you are going to do, it's not necessary, right? You can just delete the app or deactivate account, pause it, silent it, whatever you wanted to do, right? Yeah. So yeah, this is what I wanted to tell you guys, and I hope everyone follows it and everyone evolve in your humanity, your human power got excels. Let's hope for it. And please do subscribe whoever have not till now, and share it with your friends, family, so that everybody gets this knowledge. Let's make this world a better place. Thank you all.